Samuel Nevin, and Brandon. Brandon Grace can't come because she's Hi, Dad.
Hi, Amanda.
It's
Whose birthday is it today?
Dave.
And how old is he?
7.
Okay, go.
Hi, I'm gonna turn 7, and I'm gonna.
What's your favorite toy, Jay?
Hot Wheels and Lego, of course.
Oh, and are you gonna win the elephant game?
I hope.
Are ya?
Daddy, if nobody wins, can I have the prize?
Oh, I'm sure, Jay.
I'm sure nobody.
And who made your cake for you?
Of course.
Okay, here we go. It's the elephant stick on the nose game. Everybody wins.
Yeah, everybody gets so everybody gets a plane.
Okay, Mr. Nine here.
If the key puts this in the right place, he wins.
Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Wait, no, go. Okay, ready? Spin around. Wait. Okay, ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, get out of the way. Get your hand up. Okay, ready? Look out. Stand out of the way. There you go. Oh, I got a feeling you can see where he's going.
Yeah, I got it.
He's pretty smart. He's tricky. He's pretty tricky, isn't he? Well, does the elephant have a nose, you think?
Yeah.
Who hasn't gone yet?
You're closest.
Who hasn't gone yet?
Who hasn't gone yet?
Me.
What, you want to do it?
Me.
Yeah, you're not.
Have all the candy you want. Till I say you can't have any more.
But you gotta get a picture of Stephen's eye.
Oh. Steven, what happened to your eye?
I forgot
Translation?
He bonked it on the back.
On the back?
Back.
Oh,
Bathtub.
that's a good one. Ooh, what a shiner. Are you guys having a good time?
Go right into the bathtub.
Is that good, Juliana? Candy's
Careful
better
of
though,
ketchup,
huh?
Stephen.
Okay,
You want to eat it without?
is that good, Amanda Mae? Amanda Mae, is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.